7 reasons to keep Bissy on hand. Kola nuts, commonly known to Jamaicans as Bissy, are natural sources of caffeine and have been used as an ingredient in soft drinks and medicine for decades. You may have suspected this from its all too familiar name. However, many drink manufacturers in the United States and Europe do not use actual kola nuts for cola. Instead, they have designed synthetic flavor that resembles the taste of the kola nut. Preparing real Bissy tea from scratch is relatively easy. The kola nuts are dried, grated, and then boiled. The boiled mixture is then strained and consumed. Due to its popularity in Jamaica, Bissy tea can be found in teabag form for convenience and enjoyment. Here are 7 health benefits of Bissy. 1. Natural detoxifier. If at all you are looking for the perfect way to detox, all you need to do is to drink a cup of Bissy to remove poison and toxic elements from your body. The use of kola nuts to detox is often preferable given the fact that it is a natural way of achieving this and therefore has got the least of negative side effects. Poisoning is not as uncommon as it may be assumed to be. It may be brought about by various factors. Some people may even suffer poisoning when they eat certain foods on empty stomachs. The poisoning may result in dark patches on the skin and face and may cause stomach ache. The Bissy is an excellent herb that can be used to remedy such a situation. Drinking tea made from grated kola nuts will ensure that you expel all the toxins from your system. Bissy is effective in removing poison and toxins from the body, all thanks to its high composition of tannic acid. 2. Cures migraines. Caffeine is an ingredient in a number of migraine headache remedies, and products containing the compound can be up to 40% more effective in relieving the pain. Caffeine works to dilate blood vessels, but care should be used as it can also cause headaches in those that ingest too much caffeine. 3. Kills fungi and bacteria. Kola nuts are high in tannins, also called tannic acid. Tannic acid displays antimicrobial behavior that inhibits the growth of fungi, yeast, bacteria, and viruses. 4. Treats male impotence. Men have utilized Bissy as a remedy for impotence due to its ability to stimulate blood flow. New studies have also indicated that the nut contains phytoandrogens that have effects similar to testosterone that may be effective in treating prostate cancer. 5. Treats respiratory disorders. The nut is a known bronchodilator that can ease the symptoms of respiratory distress that occurs in asthma, allergies, and colds. Bissy also aids in alleviating phlegm congestion. Its high theobromine content improves respiratory health by widening the airways and relaxing the lungs' smooth muscle tissue. 6. Relieves intestinal problems. One of the properties of Bissy is its ability to stimulate the intestinal tract to secrete gastric acid required for digestion. It also relieves constipation and an upset stomach. Its antioxidant, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties assist in strengthening the immune system from which the body's immune response is centered. 7. Improves mental wellness. The psychoactive ability of caffeine blocks adenosine, allowing brain cells and neurotransmitters to work at an increased rate through the release of dopamine. That action can work to improve memory and increase reaction times. Want to learn more about Bissy? Here are some frequently asked questions and answers. 1. Is Bissy tea safe to drink while pregnant? Consuming small amounts of Bissy or kola nut tea during pregnancy is relatively safe for pregnant women. Drinking Bissy tea has been shown to ease morning sickness, headaches, and constipation while providing the body with nourishing antioxidants and nutrients, and could thus be useful for pregnant women. However, because kola nuts contain caffeine, drinking large amounts of Bissy tea is not recommended. 2. What are the side effects from drinking Bissy tea? Kola nuts' caffeine contents can influence the body and cause side effects for some. Having too much caffeine can cause restlessness, insomnia, anxiety, dizziness, dehydration, headaches, and shakiness. While kola nuts are considered safe by the FDA and other worldwide food governing agencies, be mindful of the caffeine content of Bissy tea and kola nuts before consuming them. Bissy tea is considered a safe herbal tea that has no significant side effects. However, because Bissy tea contains caffeine, caffeine-related side effects such as restlessness, anxiousness, gastric irritation, and sleep disruption should be considered. It's important to note that Bissy can react with prescription medications. It's also dangerous and toxic to animals. Always use botanical medicinals with care.